Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Lost Child. Lost Child is a short story written by Mulk Raj Anand, and he is a well-known Indian writer who writes in English. And this story is well-known story. It is a well-known story, and in almost throughout the country, this story is in syllabus of students, junior class students, and the story goes around a boy, and it is the festival of spring. The people were coming out of their homes to enjoy the festival, and some were on foot, some were riding their horses, while the others were being carried on bamboo cart because they were disabled, they were unable to move. That is why they were being carried on bamboo cart. There was a boy who was running between the legs of his parents, and when he came on the road, there was a line of toys. He was attracted by the toys, and so he ran towards it. But he knew that his father definitely would not purchase the toys for him. He had seen the cold command into his eyes, but still he insisted on having the toy. However, he resisted himself. His father called, "Come, child, come. Come, child, come." And he again started following his parents, but his eyes were still on the residing toys. Then he came to a grove, and the flowers, petals of flowers fell on him. The petals of flower fell upon him, and he tried to gather them into his hand, but his parents again called him, "Come, child, come. Come, child, come." He left the place and started moving towards the fair. On the corner there was a confectioner. There was a confectioner who was selling sweets, rasgulla, jamun, and barfi was his favorite sweet, so he was attracted towards barfi. But his parents did not buy it, and they strictly told him to follow him. He was very much upset, and he did not buy anything. Then he came forward. There was a man who was selling garland of gulmohar. He wanted the garland, but he knew that his parents would definitely tell him that these were mean flower and they were of no use. So he left the place, and ahead of him was a balloon seller. There were different type of balloons. He wanted to have a balloon, but his parents did not purchase any balloon for him. Again, the other charmer was waiting for him. There was a snake charmer who was playing his pipe before a snake. He was enjoying the scene. But again, his parents told him to leave the place. There was a roundabout. People were enjoying themselves of the roundabout, and they were shrieking with laughter. It was definitely a very attractive thing. But before he could ask them for riding, nothing was there. His parents were not there. He started running in there, calling for his parents, he started sobbing, and his pagri got soiled, and no one heard him. There was a large body of people, and he might be run over by the crowd. Suddenly he was lifted up by a man. The man tried to soothe him, tried to give his sympathy, and he took him to every shop from corner to corner, but the child refused to have anything. He wanted to have his parents only. And this story leaves a message that our parents are above all heavenly above. It's all right. Thank you very much. This is the summary of the first lesson.